Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And I've been missing for a while, but I'm now back and I'll try to be more consistent in posting more content for you guys. So please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell and share and like the video. So today we're going to talk about the invisible lock, which is a protective style, and it has gained popularity at the end of 2022, and it's a hairstyle which you can rock in 2023 since it is trending. You can achieve this look by use of Mali hair or the or the fluffy kinky. So invisible lock, it is a type of a fox lock that is created by crocheting hair extension onto the hair. It offers a more natural and less intimidating look for the traditional dreadlocks and can be worn by people of all hair types and texture, 4A, 4C, 3C, among others. Some of the benefits of this invisible lock is that they are low maintenance and they can last for some few months when they are under proper care. From silk, straight to curly and luminous looks. Invisible locks, they're also a great option for those who want to protect their natural hair and give it a break from a lot of heat styling and chemicals treatment, or when you have been wearing wigs for so long and you want to give your hair a break and you still don't want to have it natural. So it's a nice protective hairstyle which you can rock. It's also a great way to try out the Locs look without committing to the long-term process of growing and maintaining the traditional dreadlocks, which are permanent and one cannot undo them. So for this hairstyle, you can undo it anytime you want. So for this hairstyle, you can be done by a professional or you can do it yourself at home because it's not a hard hairstyle to come up with. You can try it at home because as you can see in the video, I've shown some tutorials where the person is doing themselves the lock. I hope this video will be helpful, and please thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more hair and beauty content. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.
Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. No party, I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn you on. I wanna let you. That's the least I'ma do. Ooh, fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Can you feel me, baby, can you feel me, babe? Ooh, fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Can you feel me, baby, can you feel me, babe? Oh, feel me, babe. Can you feel me, babe? Feel me, babe. Can you feel me, babe? Oh, feel me, babe. Can you feel me, babe? 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 Feel me, babe. No party, I don't just wanna chill with you. No, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn you on. I wanna let you. That's the least I'ma do. Ooh, fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Can you feel me, babe? Can you feel me, babe? Ooh, fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Can you feel me, babe? Can you feel me, babe? Feel me, babe. Can you feel me, babe?